See, it's at 99.49 right now. Gee, it's cold out here. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Let's try this way. Fingertips getting a little cold. These guys playing Farmville in real life. It's crazy. Look at that dude yakking, bro. What's up, YouTube? Nate McFly on the CRF300. Out riding today. Was gonna try to hit 10,000 miles on the CRF. You see, it's at 99.49 right now. But it's also in the low 40s today. It's really cold. It's tough to ride out here in these conditions. I don't have like true cold weather gear, just, you know, some thermals and windbreaker, some Walmart ski gloves. It's kind of tough. We're gonna see how far I can go today before it gets too cold and I get too hungry. Always good to be riding though. Shoo! I can tell it's cold though. Should've wore a gaiter around my neck, because that's right now is the first thing that's getting really cold. Hands are good, feet are good, everything else is good, just right here at my throat. But yeah, 10,000 miles on the CRF. I bought it in August of 23, and it's now February of 25, so I've put a lot of miles on this thing in a short period of time. And it's been the most fun ever, you know. I never thought I would ever have a street legal motorcycle. And Squid in the Hills convinced me and Jay's Willie to get motorcycles, and I looked and seen how, you know, affordable just the entry level street legal motorcycle was, and I seen this CRF300LS, the gray one, the short version, and I knew right then and there that I had to get it. It took me a minute, got my motorcycle's license, and then I think the next weekend after getting my license, passing the test, one was available at a dealership, and I went and got it. I financed it and just got it paid off back in December. Gee, it's cold out here. I'm gonna try to make it to the lake and see what the lake's looking like. Just bought an oil change kit and a new air filter. I've tightened the chain a few times, and it's getting about to the end of its life, so that'll probably be the next thing I buy for it, is a new chain. I may not hit 10,000 miles in this video, but this is gonna be the 10,000 mile review video. Close enough. It's too cold out here. Alright, we're gonna take a lift right here. It's been a while since I've been on this road. The sun trying to peek out of the clouds over there looks cool. say, I don't care how cold it is, it's still beautiful out here. Can't wait to show y'all what spring brings around here, this part of the country. Let's try this way. Been looking at you know, getting a Yoshi for it, a new exhaust and the ECU and all that, but I don't know, man. I think it would be pretty cool, but I think it's pretty cool the way it is. I'm not you know, I'm just a novice rider, I don't do anything crazy. I don't really like going fast. I just like to cruise and explore. But I do think I know what my next bike's gonna be eventually, and that's the NX500. Cause, you know, I wanna go to Key West, you know, I wanna go across the country. I think that'll get me there. Fingertips getting a little cold. All this farmland out here. These guys playing Farmville in real life. It's crazy. Holy shit. It's so cold. But I'm alright. Got a little PT Cruiser in front of us. Always good to see them still out on the road. Look at that dude yakking, bro. Guy's yakking hard. I don't know if we're gonna get 10,000 miles today, YouTube. It's basically 10,000 miles. It's just too cold. It's gonna be raining until the next day I got off to ride, so we're just gonna have to call this the 10,000 mile review ride. Alright YouTube, I think this is going to end the video. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. I'm trying to grow this small channel, and well, see ya.